The date is July 7th, 2025. Imagine sitting in NASA's Jet Propulsion Lab, the room aglow with data from Mars. On the main screen, Jezero crater, a dried lakebed that may have once harbored life. Perseverance Rover crawls across the Martian surface, searching for signs we're not alone. Suddenly a new image appears. A close-up from the rover's mast cam Z. The science team leans in. The rover investigates an odd formation. As the image sharpens, a gasp, half buried in Martian dust, is a shape. Pale, rounded with dark sockets and a jawline. It looks like a human skull staring back from another world. Silence fills the room. Could this be proof of life? The implications are staggering. The rover was sent to find fossilized microbes, not complex remains. The thrill is quickly replaced by skepticism. Extraordinary claims need extraordinary evidence. The team calls for more data. The rover's arm moves in, instruments ready. Spectrometers analyze the object's composition. Every angle is photographed. Is it bone, fossil, or something else? The universe loves to play tricks on our pattern-seeking minds. Is this another illusion, or the real deal? The rover becomes our eyes and hands on Mars, inching closer to the mysterious object. Jezero crater was chosen for its ancient river delta. If life ever existed, it might have thrived here. Perseverance's instruments reveal the skull is more crystalline than bone. The supercam fires a laser, vaporizing a speck for analysis. The data returns, it's basalt, a volcanic rock, not bone. What looked like eye sockets are natural pits carved by wind over eons. The jawline is just a fracture. It's pareidolia, our brains seeing faces in random patterns. Disappointment? Maybe. But for scientists it's a new mystery. How did this rock get its shape? What forces sculpted it? Mars hasn't given up its ultimate secret, but it's offered another clue. The red planet whispers its secrets. We just have to listen closer. The illusion is gone, but the scientific journey continues. Every rock is a story waiting to be told. This Skull Rock story began millions of years ago inside a Martian volcano. Magma cooled into basalt, buried deep until a massive impact blasted it free. Water swept it through ancient rivers, tumbling it smooth. It settled in Jezero's lakebed, buried for eons as Mars changed from wet to dry. Wind eventually stripped away the sediment, exposing the rock to relentless erosion. Sand-laden winds carved pits and hollows, creating the illusion of a face. This rock is a witness to Mars's volcanic, watery and windy past. Its composition tells of volcanoes, its shape, of ancient rivers, its features of endless wind. We can't trace its exact path, but it's a traveler shaped by Mars itself. Even the most ordinary object can hold an extraordinary story. Mars is a planet of mysteries, and this rock is one of them. Every stone is a chapter in the planet's history. Now, from Martian rocks to the fastest spinning object in the universe, meet PSRJ 1748-2446 AD, a neutron star spinning 716 times per second. Imagine a star's core, collapsed to a city-sized sphere, spinning at a quarter the speed of light. A teaspoon of its matter would weigh 1 billion tons on Earth. Its gravity warps space-time. Its density is unimaginable. As the star collapsed, it spun faster, like a cosmic ice skater, but it didn't do this alone. It's in a binary system, stealing material from a companion star. This accretion spins it up, like a merry-go-round pushed ever faster. The result, a stellar marvel, challenging our understanding of matter and motion. It's not just a star, it's the universe's ultimate centrifuge. The story of this neutron star is one of cosmic violence and extreme physics. Even in the vastness of space, the most extreme objects are shaped by relationships. The cosmos is full of wonders stranger than fiction. The neutron star's relationship with its companion is a violent cosmic dance. The companion, a white dwarf, is slowly being consumed. Accretion isn't peaceful. It releases torrents of X-rays visible from 18,000 light-years away. Superheated gas forms a swirling disk, heated to millions of degrees. The neutron star's magnetic field channels this material to its poles, creating bright hotspots. As it spins, these hotspots sweep past us like lighthouse beams. Pulsars. The dance won't last forever. The white dwarf may be consumed or collapse into a diamond core. If the neutron star gains too much mass, it could become a black hole. These systems test Einstein's theories and reveal the extremes of gravity and time. Like Martian rocks, they're cosmic puzzles, pushing the limits of our knowledge. Let's return to Earth, where even the mundane, like salt, hides deep mysteries. Human activity has accelerated the salt cycle, making our planet saltier. For billions of years, salt moved slowly from land to sea, but now, mining, road salt, and agriculture have overwhelmed natural systems. Rising salinity threatens freshwater life and drinking water supplies. Salt from roads and farms lingers in streams and soil, sometimes for decades. In agriculture, irrigation brings salt to the surface, eventually ruining land. Ancient civilizations collapsed from soil salinization. We risk repeating history. Salt is essential for life, but in excess, it's a poison. We're conducting a global experiment with consequences we're only beginning to see. Salt is vital for every cell, but too much disrupts life. A 1930s experiment showed that a salt-free diet quickly leads to severe illness. Yet, excess salt in lakes causes stratification. Dense, salty water sinks, creating oxygen-depleted dead zones. This is happening in lakes across North America and Europe, especially where road salt is used. On land, salt buildup makes it harder for plants to absorb water, ruining crops and ecosystems. Roadside forests show salt stress with stunted growth and deformities. Our winter safety comes at a long-term environmental cost. We've thrown a natural cycle into overdrive, tipping the balance. As we search for habitable worlds, we must also protect our own. The quest to understand the cosmos must include caring for Earth. The balance is delicate, and we're the ones tipping the scales. Our actions echo across the planet. Our curiosity drives us to explore not just the stars, but our own past. Archaeologists uncover golden-tongued mummies in Egypt, eco-houses near Stonehenge, and a record diamond in Botswana. But in the deserts of the Middle East, vast stone kites reveal ancient ingenuity. These V-shaped structures, visible only from above, were massive animal traps. Hunters funneled herds into enclosures, a feat of planning and cooperation. Some kites are over 7,000 years old, early landscape engineering. They show abstract thinking and strategic design, executed without ever seeing the full shape. These structures are a testament to the same drive that sends rovers to Mars. The impulse to observe, question, and shape our world is timeless. Our ancestors' mysteries echo in our own explorations. What connects a Martian rock, a spinning neutron star, a salty planet, and ancient stone traps? They're all mysteries, and they all speak to humanity's relentless drive to solve them. The Martian skull was an illusion, but the investigation revealed Mars's history. The universe presents puzzles and paradoxes, each one a doorway to discovery. The fastest star, the paradox of salt, the ingenuity of ancient engineers, all are part of our quest. We have always been explorers, mapping the unknown on Earth or in the cosmos. Every answer leads to new questions. We thought we'd find a fossil, but learned about planetary erosion. We study distant stars and test the fabric of space-time. The search for knowledge is unending, and the cosmos is the ultimate frontier. Stay curious, ask questions, look with wonder. The story is still being written, and you are a part of it. The cosmos is calling. Let's keep exploring together.